Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can ride the hot air balloon in Heartopia. So the hot air balloon location is here. You can see it on the map. It will not work though if it is raining, I believe, and I don't know, there's like another weather I think it doesn't work on, but basically you can only go on it when it's sunny. So talk to Gazing Boy. Go to the event. There's two routes. We have the Flowerfield route and the Town Sky Tour. I haven't done the Town Sky Tour, so I'm just going to do that. Okay, let's confirm. The Town Sky Tour is longer, but the oh, and it's like different too. This one's circle and that one's square, like the seating area. But this is a quicker lake route if you want to complete your quest quickly. So let's start this ride. Okay, 11 minutes. I think this one was only about 5 minutes or 4, but this one's around 11 minutes. So I'm just going to take the tour. And also, when you're riding this, make sure your camera settings field of views at like the normal one. There we go. So you can see everything a little bit clearer like this. And it basically takes you all around town. And yeah, super pretty when there is a sunset. You're going to want to take pictures, guys. So pretty. But yeah, that's how you can ride the hot air balloon. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!